Let's find out how to add a job to Flexi or Production Manager. Let's go over how to add a file to Flexi or Production Manager. You can do both. Let's start with Flexi. Now we have a blank screen here. You can actually use the icons for opening a file, or you can go to File and Open. Basically what this is doing is allowing you to actually open a graphic. You just pick the file. The formats are down here, so you can go through these if you want, and that'll give you an idea of what formats are available. All the typical ones like JPEG and PDF and so forth, but there's also some very specific ones. Gerber plot files, old versions of Castmate, old versions of Flexi. These are the ways that you actually can open a file in Flexi and you get the preview of it. Now you can also import a file. If you go to File and Import, that would mean that you already have an open page with some artwork in it. Perhaps you're building a sign or something like that, and you just want to add an element to the graphics. So you're going to import the file, and again, you can see all of the graphics in here. You just click on it. What's nice about both open and import now is that you can click multiple files. So I'm going to hold my control key down and choose a couple of different files here. And basically what this is doing is this is allowing me to pick multiple files. When I click import now, what will happen is you'll get this rectangular box, and that allows you to place it on the screen. So you can just place that one there. You get the next one, and that opened that one up, and then you get the third one. So you can actually arrange these, and when you import them, I think that's a great feature in Flexi. Okay, let's close that one up and start a new file here. And you can also, in the file menu here, acquire an image. Now this would be a way to import images basically from your scanner or from your digital camera and so forth. As long as it's a Twain device, you'll be able to import that file into Flexi as well. Now if we go to Production Manager, you can also directly add files here. You can go to the File menu and choose Add Job, and again you're going to see the actual previews here. So if I want to take that file that we were working on over there and add it to Production Manager, I can do that. Now what's nice in Production Manager is you can also set up how you want to use this file. In other words, I'm going to use the default job properties. If I had a preset, and that's discussed in our training DVD and in our training seminars, it's a way to set up Flexi so that you're setting up all the color management instantly in Production Manager for a particular kind of file. In any case, you can select that. So what that does is that when you click on that, it actually adds the file. You get all of the information, you can see it, and then when you want to manipulate that file, just double click on the name, and it'll give you all the capabilities of changing size, copies, color management, and so forth right inside Production Manager. You can also click the File menu here, and again, you can do something called Acquire. Again, very similar to Flexi, you can access your digital camera or scanner and actually put the file in Production Manager that way. And then the final way is just click your Windows Explorer. You can always drag and drop compatible file formats into Flexi. So if I have a graphic here on my desktop that I want to actually add and it's compatible with Flexi, all I've got to do is click on that particular graphic, drag it, and drop it into my Production Manager here, and it'll actually drop it right here in the whole queue. Again, what that does is that allows you to actually put these files in automatically. Same thing in Flexi. If I want to edit this file or add it to my Flexi, just drag it and drop it, and it'll appear right in Flexi here. So this is multiple ways for adding files into Flexi and Production Manager. Hope this helps you. Guess what? It's just that easy with Flexi.